Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video I am going to make Antipasto salad. It has been so hot here, I have to switch from baking to something a little lighter, a little cooler, and so it's going to be the Antipasto salad. And believe it or not, we do use cast iron in it. We will begin making the Antipasto salad by pickling a red onion. We will cut the ends off and then cut it lengthwise and then cut it very thinly crosswise. Then we will boil 2 cups water and 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll add the onion to it and let it simmer for 3 minutes, drain it, let it cool off. That's all there is to pickling onion. Next, we'll prepare the fresh vegetables. For the romaine, you'll tear that into bite-sized pieces and take out the white rib from the large leaves. It's kind of tough. Doesn't taste very good. You can dab off your wet leaves as needed with paper towels. Next, we go to chopping up the tomatoes. Make sure you remove the seeds and the core. Next, we are going to put in a can of artichoke hearts. I am putting in a 12-ounce can. Chop them up, toss them in. Now we're going to add more of the canned items, roasted red bell peppers, and cut into strips the pickled onions and pepperoncinis. Next, I'm going to cut up some basil and some parsley. I like basil a lot, so I'm probably going to be generous with this. To make the vinaigrette, combine 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 clove minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper, 6 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. We just shake it up. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of salami, 1 pound of mozzarella, and a container of shredded Parmesan cheese. You can use whatever sort of Italian deli meat you like, prosciutto, any combination of cheeses that you like. This is just what we chose. I'm going to add some dressing and toss it together. A little antipasto salad is exactly what we needed on a hot day. When you do antipasto salad, make sure that you do the pickled onions. They really make this salad pop. They're so good. They just take a little bit of time. They're tangy, a little crunchy, very good. Absolutely love this salad, and it's perfect if you have a dish that you need to take a gathering to. That's a big bowl of salad. This is Cast Iron Katie. Thanks so much for watching.